Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from TikTok Ads Manager. In this video, basically I'll show you how to do it in a simple way. So open up your TikTok. As you can see, you will be greeted with your own profile. Head on to the top right corner and go to TikTok Studio basically. From there, you want to scroll down and then go to your estimated rewards in the last 7 days. Once you click that, you will see all your monetization from ads or whatever you do in TikTok. And then basically go to your balance right here. And then if you want, you can just choose your TikTok Ads Manager if it's located right here. And then basically all you have to do is press withdraw balance. From there, you withdraw the balance and there you go. It's just that simple. So you must have a link card or link financial cash institution out of this, of course. So you want to activate your manual withdrawal right here if you don't have your own auto withdrawal system yet. So just resume right here and then just set up your mobile number and your account that it will be deposited into. So there you go guys, that is how you withdraw your money from your TikTok Ads Manager. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.